Hello guys. Here our point is about what my machine don't make really good stitches. Like if you see this one like that, and this is the good ones. This is so tighter when you try, and also you checking the thread, checking the how go thread into the machine, everything is right. You checking the tension here is right. You checking also the bobbin, the thread for the bobbin. You checking the needle. You checking this for the fabric, and that continue make something wrong. I cleaning again, and I say what's wrong with the machine, and then after I checking all the things, cleaning again, checking again, and also I change a little in the bobbin, the tension here. I explained that in some videos. Subscribe to my channel and you can find many good things we can do for so better. In this case was nothing like that continue my run. So the last I did is went to the presser foot, and this is something I can expecting how happen. Okay, we had this one and they coming. Even if this not super high chance, they had a little move like that, Well, when I realized what I used was this one. We talk about the one universal, no, the one coming like that. I was used this one, and this is stuck there. You see, no move, and looking the one is good. You need to go make that movement in the machine. So after many things checking, I realized, please, I let you for you to doing in your machines and checking your presser foot. If you see this presser foot had a lot of dust here. You see all that? Well, we need to clean it. You can take all the thread or diddy for the years. Remember, these machines are vintage. If you can take just like that, you can put a little alcohol here to start to take all that diddy and make is need to be moved again for create the pressure there is like a walking foot, because if the presser foot no make this movement, something is wrong. Okay, so is that I let you know. Please checking your presser foot, it may be something wrong with that, and you can make better stitches with your vintage machine. Thank you guys, have a great day, and please continue pray for the world. Bye.